sorry. The largest German Shepherd I have ever seen. Milo was the size of a Great Dane, but was a German Shepherd. And then I'm thinking to myself, Milo was probably like, girl, did you not put the signal out? Why are you acting like you're afraid? You put the signal out, you said you wanted to be seen. What's the problem? You know what, Milo? You were so right. I just was not expecting that. Wow, you were like 6 feet. You were 6 feet, Milo. Anyways, I'm out on my walk. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood and just trying to take care of myself. Um, I have a health concern and it's not a concern. I'm not gonna even call it a concern. Like, I've had this thing for years, and if anything, I'm just dealing with it on top of another health issue that rose up recently. Um, Trying to take care of myself. It's hard because I'm a lot. I'm a lot to take care of. But I'm in it for the long haul, you know. It's been 31 years loading. So let's keep going. I was also thinking about this recently. So I guess technically next week I have a trip that I scheduled for my birthday. And I didn't say anything about it to anybody because honestly, I forgot about it. I booked it so long ago. And it was supposed to be to celebrate my birthday early. And I wanted to go to Hawaii. So right now, I currently have a flight booked to Hawaii to celebrate my birthday this month. And I have to cancel it because things didn't go as I hoped and planned. I recently quit my job from corporate America. They were stressing me out, and I figured that my health, my being was far more important than keeping their machine alive. And I haven't secured an opportunity since then, nor have I been successful with my business, blowing up as I thought it would be. I watched so many people, have their lives changed overnight. And I guess I was silly enough to think that I would also be one of them in time. But that's not my story. So I'm gonna cancel my birthday trip to Hawaii. I know it seems so silly, like I'm still holding the camera and I'm crying, but I'm not gonna move away from this very real moment. And hopefully one day soon I still get to go to Hawaii and I can afford to take myself on a beautiful adventure like I've been hoping. But cheers to life, cheers to still being alive, and cheers to being able to care for your health. Because that is the true wealth, and that's the true wealth. Milo's coming around again. Hold on, I'm gonna try to see if I can get Milo on camera. Oh my gosh. Damn. Ooh. Did you see him? He's so freaking big. Ugh. Oh man, that was the most comical thing about my day. That was very funny. Oh, look at these flowers. I didn't even see these flowers. Look. That's a nice flower. And that too is a nice flower. And that right there is a nice flower too. Anyways, all is well. I am not sad. Okay, I'm sad about that thing that I just mentioned. But otherwise, I'm not sad. I just had to express and get comfortable with crying. That's another thing that I've been trying to get more comfortable with, is crying. Because, you know, when I was younger, I heard the same thing that most of us heard. You know, stop crying before I give you something to cry about. What you crying for? Like that kind of stuff. And that response was given to me because of conditioning from the generation before. And, you know, it was a cycle. But I'm breaking that cycle by allowing myself to cry and to experience emotion, even on the internet, because I know there's a stigma about people crying on the internet, but can we not be human? Look at the sun. Oh my gosh, this sunset looks so pretty. You can't even see it all. Like, hold on. Keep adjusting. Stay with me. Don't let your attention span go. Do not let your attention span leave here. I mean, I saw it. I saw it for what it was. But yeah, like I was saying. Oh, also my geese and my duck live in that pond. The pond was right there. I don't know if you saw it. But, oops. I thought you were looking at me. Uh-oh. Hello. What was I talking about? I'm talking about the people's attention span. These are my birds. These are my birds that come to my balcony and stuff. Hello, birds. Hello, birds. I think I was talking about something like, the sunset just looks absolutely beautiful. Look at this. And I get to, like, this is the wealth. This is the wealth. And I know that one day, that sun is going to, one day the sun is going to meet me in Hawaii. And I cannot wait for that day. I have no clue what I was saying. I was saying something very important, but I hope you guys have a great night. I'm gonna go back to enjoy my walk. I wanted to go sit on, in the pretty areas over there, but there were red ants everywhere. And I'm just like, I'm not trying to have my butt look like, a lit up Christmas tree. I'm not. For the people who actually do watch this video, thank you. I just wanted to do some PR because I can't be crying on the internet and then not try to mop up a little of the tears afterwards, because it just wouldn't be me. My Virgo would not allow it. So I just want to say thank you to the people who do watch this video. I know that most of the people will be my family, my friends, and I know that you all have the heart to want to, help me, but I'm not posting this video for help. Why am I posting this video? Because I said I'm not looking for help. No, it'll be, if I'm gonna be honest, if I can be so completely honest, I would love for there to be a magical opportunity to present itself that would allow me to go to Hawaii next week. I would love for the situation to change instantly. I'm posting this video because there's a version of me out there that has thought through 1,000,001 situations that would happen if I ever made myself vulnerable on the internet. And she's protected herself from all of those situations that could possibly go wrong, which is why she shows up so filtered, not just in YouTube, but in life. And I know that there are many people who can relate to that. I'm posting this video because I want to give her a moment to breathe, because she's done so much. She does so much. And she needs to rest. She needs to know that there is no perfect way. There's no perfect way to show up. The best way to show up is to show up as Omara. And I am Omara. And so that is why I'm posting this video. So thank you so much for watching. Mwah. This is a large water bottle. I don't know if I should like knock on the door and tell them, but like, look how big it is. Oh, I think you left your water bottle. Did you mean to leave your water bottle?
I did not. Ooh, is that the Osmo?
Yes, I was like, let me.
Are you a content creator?
I am.
We should follow each other.
Let's do it. Hold on, let me write down.
I'm a